In the previous tutorial, /posts/go tutorial testing/, you learned how to test Go code. Now it is time to add authentication to your API. Middleware is the standard way to handle cross-cutting concerns like authentication, logging, and CORS. Let's break it down. Gin Middleware Basics. Gin comes with two built-in middlewares. When you use Gin, default, you get logger, logs every request with method, path, status, and time. Recovery, catches panics and returns a 500 error. Writing custom middleware. A Gin middleware is a function that takes Gin context and calls c.next to continue to the next handler. Key points about middleware. c.next calls the next middleware or handler. c.abort stops the chain. No more handlers run. c.set key value store data for later handlers. c.get key retrieve data from earlier middleware. CORS middleware cross-origin resource sharing. CORS lets browsers make requests to your API from different domains. For production, replace with your actual front-end domain. Password hashing with BCRYPT. Before we build JWT authentication, we need to hash passwords. Never store plain text passwords. Use BCRYPT. BCRYPT. Default cost is 10. JWT authentication. JSON Web Tokens, JWT, are the standard way to authenticate API requests. The flow is 1. User sends username and password to /login2. Middleware. For specific routes, you can apply middleware to individual routes or groups. Middleware runs in the order you add it. For the single route example, auth middleware runs first, then admin middleware, then admin handler. Middleware execution order. Understanding the order is important. Code before c.next runs top-down. Code after c.next runs bottom-up. This is useful for timing middleware. Start the timer before, calculate elapsed time after. Common mistakes. 1. Forgetting c.abort after error responses. Always call c.abort when you want to stop the chain.